So this is almost big enough to hold 2 liters. These are the bigger ones I got from Man Lake a few years ago. I'm glad I brought them around. And I'm just gonna put that puppy right there. And I will hope that this does not induce robbing of any sort. Do I have any more? All right. Let's just kind of look and see. So 3 of these guys have Norroa in them. 1, 2, 3. I'm just counting it now since I got the point of view on, and it's gonna make a 3-minute video. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. So I need to treat this one. And then I'll start with, I'll have enough for 2 more. And I'll start on those, the first one up here and the one with the 3 boxes. Guess that'll be it. Let me go grab this bag. Let's see if I can make sure I don't have any more of the big plastic ones. Every once in a while, one will. This one is not quite big enough. All right. So there's one. I probably could spread this out a little bit better. I mean, I could probably use 3 and then get a few more hives treated, but you know, just still be safe.